बच्चे, now we will start super profit method. This is the second method. For calculating the super profit method, firstly we have to understand what is super profit. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड वो पैसा जो बिजनेस में लगाया जाता है, yields different profits for the different enterprises. If the concern is earning the same profit as the same nature other concern is earning, that is the average profit or actual profit or the normal profit. When the excess of actual or average profit over the normal profit, that is known as super profit. वो एवरेज प्रॉफिट जो नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा है, that is super profit. Now question arise, what is capital employed? Already we discussed this concept in the chapter of ratio analysis. Capital employed, there are two approaches, asset side approach and liability side approach. अगर आप एसेट साइड से निकालते तो टोटल एसेट में आप क्या नहीं लोगे, एग्जिस्टिंग गुडविल, फिक्टिशियस एसेट और नॉन ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट, इन तीनों को छोड़ के टोटल एसेट माइनस आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी, वेदर इज दैट इज अ करंट लायबिलिटी और नॉन करंट लायबिलिटी, दैट इज इक्वल टू द कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. और लायबिलिटी साइड से दैट इज शेयर कैपिटल प्लस रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस माइनस गुडविल इफ एनी एग्जिस्टिंग इन द बुक्स माइनस फिक्टिशियस एसेट माइनस नॉन ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट. These are the two formula. We have to use only one according to the data given in the numerical. Now normal profit. Capital employed multiply normal rate upon 100. Capital employed के ऊपर normal rate आप चार्ज करेंगे, that will be the normal profit. Normal rate जो है वो that will be given in numerical, वो दिया होता है बच्चे, right? Now super profit. एवरेज ऑब्लिक एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. एक्चुअल और एवरेज प्रॉफिट में से नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे, बट यू विल गेट सुपर प्रॉफिट. नाउ गुडविल, सुपर प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. सुपर प्रॉफिट को आप नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, यू विल गेट गुडविल. दिस इज द डिस्कशन फॉर द सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू नॉर्मल रेट बाय 100. Super profit average minus normal profit is equal to super profit. Super profit into number of year purchase, that is goodwill. Very easy, right? Note down these steps. How to calculate the super profit method? After this, we will start the numerical portion of super profit method. Hurry up, बच्चे. Now we will start the numerical portion. Average profit earned by the firm is rupees 2,50,000, which includes overvaluation of stock 10,000. On an average basis, capital invested 14 lakh. Normal rate of return is 15%. Calculate the goodwill of the firm on the basis of 4 times of super profit. तो यहाँ से क्लियर हो रहा है कि हमने वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल सुपर प्रॉफिट के बेस पे करनी है. एवरेज प्रॉफिट 2,50,000. Overvaluation of closings, overvaluation of stock, we will always consider this as a closing stock 10,000. Minus करेंगे, we will get actual average profit 2,40,000. Capital employed 14 lakh. Normal rate 15%. Your normal profit is 2,10,000. Actual profit 240. Normal profit 210. It means super profit is 30,000. Goodwill, super profit into number of year purchase. How many times? 4 times of super profit. तो यहाँ पर टाइम्स दिया हुआ, नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज नहीं दिए हुए. सुपर प्रॉफिट 30,000 मल्टीप्लाई 4. 4 times means multiply 4. What will be the value of goodwill? That is 1,20,000 rupees is the value of goodwill. Read this statement twice, then do the solution part. Super profit method is a very easy method to calculate the goodwill. I hope this concept is totally clear to you. After this, we will start the capitalization. Capitalization of average profit, capitalization of super profit. Hurry up, बच्चे. Now we will discuss capitalization of average profit. बेटे, the formula to calculate the capitalization of average profit is very very important. The steps are very important. Step number 1, calculate average normal profit. Sometime it is given in the numerical, sometime we have to calculate average normal profit. You know how to calculate the average profit, right? Step number 2, calculate capitalized value of firm. Capitalized value of business, very important. Average profit, जब हमने किसी को कैपिटलाइज करना होता है तो 100 अपॉन में नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. देन नेट एसेट्स, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड एंड नेट एसेट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग. ऑल एसेट माइनस आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी. ऑल एसेट में आपने एग्जिस्टिंग गुडविल, फिक्टिशियस एसेट और नॉन ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं लेना, राइट? गुडविल, कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ फर्म माइनस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड या नेट एसेट्स, यू विल गेट गुडविल. नेट एसेट्स बोले या बेटे कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड बोले, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. इसको नेट इक्विटी भी बोल सकते हैं, नेट वर्थ भी बोल सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ फर्म, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इंटू 100 अपॉन में नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. देन नेट एसेट्स, दैट इज टोटल एसेट माइनस आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी. गुडविल, स्टेप नंबर 2 माइनस स्टेप नंबर 3, कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस माइनस नेट एसेट्स. Now read the statement. P and T are partner, 2,50,000 fixed capital each. Credit balance in the current account 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. Firm does not have any liability. It means there is no outside liability of the firm. Regularly they earn the profit and average profit of last 5 years is 1 lakh. Normal rate of return is 10%. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit. Step number 1, capitalize value of business. Average profit 1 lakh. Rate of return 10%. So 100 by 10. 10 lakh is the capitalized value of firm or business. Net assets, there is no liability. 2,50,000 fixed capital each plus 30,000 plus 20,000 current. That is net asset 5,50,000. Capitalized value of business minus net asset. 10 lakh minus 5,50,000. Goodwill will be 4,50,000. See, if the steps of calculating the capitalization of average profit is clear to you, it's very easy to calculate the numerical. It is very easy. Capitalized value of business, that is capital, your average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Net asset, that is the total asset minus outside liability. They don't have any outside liability, so that the total capital is the total asset. Goodwill, capitalized value of asset minus net asset, that will be the value of the goodwill. This is the capitalization of average profit, and in the numerical it is clear cut mentioned. If it is not mentioned which method of capitalization you have to use, then it depends upon the data given in the numerical that which method of capitalization we will use. After this we will discuss capitalization of super profit method. Right, note down the steps, read the statement twice, then do the solution. Hurry up bachche, hurry up. Now we will discuss the last method, capitalization of super profit. In the super profit method, I told you how to calculate the super profit. First, capital employed, then net profit on capital employed, average profit minus normal profit, that is super profit. Till here the steps are same. Capitalization of super profit into 100 upon my normal rate of return, that is capitalization of super profit, and this is the value of goodwill. Again, super profit तक तो बेटे you know how to calculate. Super profit into 100 upon my normal rate of return, this is the value of goodwill, right? Average, now see the numerical. Average profit 1,50,000, total tangible asset 14 lakh, outside liability 4 lakh, normal rate of return 10% on capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit. Capital employed, total asset minus outside liability. 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, 10 lakh is the capital employed. Normal profit, 10 lakh into 10 by 100. 1 lakh is the normal profit. Average profit is 1,50,000 minus normal profit 1 lakh. Super profit is 50,000. 50,000 into 100 अपॉन में नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न 10, 0 से 0 कट. गुडविल की वैल्यू बेटे 5 लाख रुपीज. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड निकाली बेटे, टोटल एसेट माइनस आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड का 10%, 1 लाख नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज गिवन 1,50,000 minus normal profit 1 lakh. 50,000 is the super profit. Super profit into 100 by normal rate of return, 5 lakh is the value of goodwill through the capitalization of super profit method. This chapter is totally based upon the formulas. Average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method, capitalization of average profit method, capitalization of super profit. We did the 5 formulas to calculate the goodwill, and we discussed the theory part of the goodwill. Here the unit number 2 is over of the partnership. We have to solve the each and every numerical of T.S. Garewal book. If there is any query related to any numerical, please let me know so that I can provide you the solution. I am also sharing one worksheet with you. You have to practice each and every numerical of that worksheet also. Right, bete? Now note down this steps. Read the statement twice, then solve the numerical. Thank you, bete. Have a nice day.